Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because this is literally the biggest giveaway I've ever done here on my channel. I have been working on this for quite a few months now because this month is May and it actually marks the 4-year anniversary of my YouTube channel, and I just want to give back to you guys, say thank you, because I could not believe that I've been doing YouTube for 4 years now. It's just so crazy. It's opened up so many doors for me, and I am so appreciative to each and every one of you guys watching this video. And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing this. So I wanted to just do a super humongous giveaway for winners to celebrate my 4 years here on YouTube. I'm going to go through everything. We have some like vaults in this giveaway, all kinds of really good products, and I'm excited to share with you guys. So before we get started, I do want to say a big thank you to shoptagr for partnering with me on this video. I've done a lot of sponsored videos with shoptagr, and I'm so thankful for them as well because I not only love partnering with them, but I absolutely love what they are. So if you guys haven't heard of shoptagr, they are a website and they have an app as well, and I literally am so freaking obsessed with them because they're the only way I shop now. Like, I use them probably every single day, and my shoptagr is getting pretty full because I have so many products saved. So basically what it is let's say that you are shopping online, you see a product that you really like, and I save items for 2 different reasons. One, I hate screenshotting things because I never go back and find them. So I'll save an item to my shoptagr, that way it's easy to go back and find. And then the second reason that I save it is because as soon as the item goes on sale, they're going to notify you. So let's say you're shopping, you pick out an item, you are going to hit save to shoptagr, and it will give you the option to be notified when the item goes on sale at any price point, when it's 25% off or when it's 50% off. So you click whichever one you want to be notified on, and it saves it to your shoptagr account. And in shoptagr, you can organize by different categories like fashion, beauty, home decor, whatever you want. And you can even send your list to friends and family. So let's say you have like a birthday coming up, a holiday. Let's say you just want to be spoiled. You can send that list to your friends and family. I absolutely love shoptagr. I've been doing a lot of shopping lately, and they save me so much money because I hate buying things full price. So I never do that anymore, all because of shoptagr. So a big thank you to shoptagr for sponsoring this video. And let's go ahead and dive into the goodies because I'm literally so pumped to show you guys all this stuff. Okay, let's dive in. So before I show you the products, I do want to say this giveaway is going to be so super simple. At the top of the description bar, there's going to be a link. And what that link is going to do is it is going to, 1, verify that you are subscribed to my channel, because that is mandatory to enter this giveaway. And also it's going to give you the link to sign up for shoptagr, since they are partnering with me on this video, for you guys to sign up so you can start saving money on items. And all the other entries that you can do on there are bonus entries. So very simple, and then 4 winners. And I'm also probably going to include some other products besides what you even see in this giveaway because I have a few more things coming in. Okay, so every single box is a little bit different, but every single box is going to have a couple of the same things because I wanted to make sure I gave you some of my favorites. So every single box will come with the ColourPop She palette. I have talked about this palette many times, and I don't know what it is about it, but it is like a serious go-to palette for me. I even have a backup, but the colors in here are so super gorgeous. Y'all know that I love like purpley tones, so I wanted to get this for you guys because, again, it's one of my favorite palettes. So every single winner will get one of these. Every single winner will also get the ColourPop Lippie stick in the shade Lumiere. This is my all-time favorite Lippie pencil ever. I probably have like 10 of these because it's just my favorite lip liner in the entire world. So y'all be getting this in every box. And then you'll be getting either one or the other of these palettes. So this is the It's My Pleasure palette from ColourPop and the Just My Luck palette. So 2 boxes will have this and 2 boxes will have this one. But I love these palettes. They're so fun and so colorful. Every single box will have some type of like vault or set in it. So one winner will actually be getting this CoverGirl set. It says CoverGirl, I am what I make up. I do have to figure out how I'm going to ship these because right now I don't have a box big enough to fit these in. But this set right here contains 4 different eyeshadow palettes. You have a bunch of different brow products. You have some mascaras, eyeliner, and lip products. So you get this in your set along with all the other products I'm going to show you. One winner will be getting this huge Rimmel London lip set. So you have the Stay Mattes, the Stay Glossies, and the Stay Satins in a bunch of different fun colors. The next winner will be getting the Zodiac Vault Set of eye pigments from ColourPop. You have so many different fun shades. And then the last winner will be getting this Lancome Vault. It has, let me open it up so y'all can see it, some eye products, some lip products, and an eyeshadow palette. So I'm really excited to include these sets in the giveaway prizes. I'm going to try to go through every box and show you guys like an overview of the box, and I'll pull out some of my favorite products. But just know these are like packed and packed and packed, slam full of like a ton of products. So the first winner, you'll be getting this Sun Seeker Lip and Light Duo from NARS. You'll be getting 2 different melted metal lipsticks from Too Faced, and also every single box will have 2 different colors in it. You'll be getting this really beautiful, fun Pro Pigment Palette by Profusion, along with their mixed metal set. You'll be getting the Ocean Jewels Collection Highlight Palette from Becca Cosmetics. You'll be getting the infamous Rodeo Drive Highlighter by Ofra Cosmetics. You'll be getting a MAC lipstick, Lip Injection Lip Gloss from Too Faced, another NARS Lip Duo from their summer collection, and these super duper gorgeous eyeshadows from L'Oreal. Again, these are just a couple things that you'll be getting in the first box if you are the winner for the first box. I just want to show you an overview, but this box, again, it's pretty full and it's a priority box and it's the large size, so lots of different products. Okay, here is a big look at box number 2. So again, I'm going to grab some of my favorites. We have the Moda Glitter Bomb brush set. And this box is really getting like hooked up with brushes. I have 5 different brushes from Kokie Cosmetics. We have the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe Minis in here, which are super fun in all different colors. We have a bright fun palette from Profusion, and this is their Spectrum palette. We also have a blush palette from Profusion, and these colors are so gorgeous. You'll be getting this Ofra highlight set, and it has 3 different colors in them. Really great for summer and just like a really poppin' highlight. And then 3 different melted metallic lipsticks. You'll be getting the shade Magic Metal, I Dare You, and a Pillow Talk. Okay, this palette, which is absolutely gorgeous, will be included in this box. I actually used this yesterday, like my palette that I have of it, and it is so pretty. It's called the Gold Dust palette, and it is a beautiful highlight palette. The shades are so pretty and just so beaming. And again, that's just a few products from box number 2. Okay, box number 3. We have the Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops from Laura Geller. And this one, I only have like the little mini box, so it's like obviously packed full to the rim. We have this cute little brush set from Pixie Cosmetics, and you honestly could use this as a sunglass case too. We have another lip set from NARS for their summer collection. We have the Moda Pro 5-piece complete kit. We have the Profusion Paradise palette. We have another palette from Nomad Cosmetics, and again, you guys, these shades are so pretty, especially for summer. I could totally see you guys putting those, sorry it's blinding you because it has like the protective piece over it, but putting those blues and greens underneath your lower lash line, that would be so beautiful. We have the MAC Cosmetics Dazzle Highlighter, and this is in the shade Dazzle Pink, and it is so beautiful. We have the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, which is an all-time favorite. We have the Too Faced Melted Metallics in Breakup Makeup and Scream My Name. And then we have this beautiful ColourPop Cosmetics highlight in the color On the Cusp. So again, a few different products from box number 3. Box number 4, you're gonna get the Moda Metals gift set. This has all different brushes, and it also has the like Artiste-like brushes. You're going to be getting the Pure Festival palette. I'm not gonna show it to you because it is, you know, wrapped and everything, but the colors are super gorgeous. We have the Melted Metallic Lipsticks in the shade Faking It and Give It To Me. We have the Urban Decay Back Talk palette. We also have the Define Sexy Lip Kit from Too Faced. The Profusion Eye Define set, and this is a felt tip eyeliner and then like a normal eyeliner, super black eyeliners. And then we also have this really cute eyeshadow palette from Ofra Cosmetics, and you have a bunch of different really fun shades to play with. Also from Ofra Cosmetics, you have a 3-piece liquid lipstick set in the shade Vermilion, Ruby, and Barbecue. And you guys, that is going to complete all the products for this giveaway. Again, there is so many more products that I didn't even show you guys, so I am so excited to spoil you, and I hope that you're really excited for this giveaway. I've never done a giveaway with more than 2 winners, so this has been kind of crazy putting everything together, but I hope you like everything I included in the giveaway. Again, a big thank you to shoptagr for sponsoring it, and I love you guys. Make sure to follow the rules. They are the most important. I cannot tell you how many times I do giveaways. I go to pick the winner and it'll be like, oh, they weren't even following me on this, or, you know, whatever they said that they did. So make sure you follow the rules. Make sure to download shoptagr too. And I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.